Slow down. Target pace 9 minutes 45 seconds. Currently 7 minutes 31 seconds. On pace. Speed up. Currently 13 minutes 21 seconds.
Want to learn more about the Runna app? In this video, I explain all of its features, demonstrate how to use it, and share my overall thoughts. Let's get started. Overview. Runna is a running app that offers personalized training plans for all levels that adapts to your goals and progress. Whether you're training for a 5K, half marathon, marathon, or even a Spartan race or high rocks, there are plans to help you prepare for those events. Training plans will include a variety of runs, including easy runs, interval runs, tempo runs, long runs, and time trials. Easy runs are relaxed, low-intensity runs meant to build endurance and aid in recovery. Interval runs alternate between high-intensity sprints and recovery periods to improve speed and stamina. Tempo runs are sustained, moderate to hard efforts designed to enhance your lactate threshold and endurance. Long runs are longer, steady-paced runs meant to build endurance and aerobic capacity. Time trials are fast, all-out efforts over a distance or time to gauge your fitness level. You'll have different runs scheduled throughout the week. In addition, you can add strength, mobility, and Pilates workouts to your training plan for more holistic programming. The app can be used for outdoor running as well as on a treadmill. It's available on iOS and Android devices and syncs with many wearables, including Apple Watches, Garmin's, Fitbits, and more. Cost. Currently, the app requires a paid subscription, and at the time of this video, costs $17.99 a month or $109.99 a year. You're able to try this app as a free trial for 1 week to see if you like it. Training plans. When you download the app and use it for the first time, you'll be required to create an account. Once you do, you'll be welcomed into the app and immediately be asked what your goal is. This includes a race, general training, running a distance goal, running a first 5K, a postnatal plan, functional fitness, post-injury recovery, post-race recovery, or training for a triathlon. For myself, since I'm preparing for what's called a high rocks, I searched for that event and saw that the actual race and venue were available as a training plan. After selecting a race, you're asked to rate your running ability from beginner to elite. Then you're asked your estimated race time based on different race distances, which I found to be helpful since this would help tailor the workouts to your current pace level. It then asks how many days per week you want to run, as well as the days you're free to run, and what day you want to designate for your long runs. Then it has different start dates based on how long you want to train. If you want the most time to train, you can start now. Lastly, it asks what units you want your plan to be displayed in, with kilometers and miles as options. After inputting all that data, your plan is finally ready and it gives you a summary of what to expect. On the Train tab, you'll see an overview of your week and can toggle and view other weeks. You can tap on a workout and get a preview of what to expect. For example, on Tuesday, September 10th, we have an intervals run called 400-meter repeats, and that'll have us running 3.1 miles. We see an estimation of how long this workout will take, which is 35 to 40 minutes. There's a button for warm-up stretches, which takes you to a warm-up video and listed exercises, a link activity button if you completed this workout but want to input it manually. You don't have to worry about this if you run with the app. It'll take care of that automatically. And third, there's a skip workout button if you aren't able to complete it. There's a toggle button between outdoor run and treadmill, and below there's a description of the exact distance and pace you'll be running. Toggling between outdoor and treadmill will display paces differently. The warm-up will have us running 1 mile at a conversational pace or no faster than an 11-minute 15-second per mile pace, followed by a 90-second walking rest. The repeats will have us running 0.25 miles at a 9-minute per mile pace, followed by a 60-second walking rest. This is repeated for a total of 6 times. After doing that, the cooldown will consist of 0.6 miles at a conversational pace or slower. Below this, the coach will have helpful information relevant to the workout. If you want to start the workout and get music queued up, that can be accessed from the buttons on the bottom of the screen. Demonstration. So we're going to be doing a run today using the Runna app, and today is Saturday, September 14th, and I'm going to be doing my on-off 200s tempo run. It's going to take us an estimated 25 to 35 minutes, and there's a warm-up I can do, so let's go ahead and start with that. Okay, now it says our warm-up is complete, and let's look at the rest of this workout. So we have a warm-up run of 0.6 miles at a conversational pace, and then for the main workout, we'll have 7 repeats of 0.12 miles at a 9:30 pace and 0.12 miles at an 11:15 pace. We're gonna wrap that up with a cool down, 0.5 miles at a conversational pace or slower. And Coach Colleen says that 200 meters is such a short distance that we may not have time to look at our pace until it's over. It's okay to base this more off how you feel. So one thing to aim for is to keep the momentum up throughout the run. Good luck, Kevin. Thank you, Coach Colleen. Let's get to this workout. We're gonna kick off with our warm-up. So we're gonna hit start workout, outdoor run. See here, my shoes, my Ultra Lone Peaks in yellow. And let's start.
Get ready to start. Start running. This lap is 0.6 miles warm-up. Warm-up complete in 6 minutes 24 seconds. Average pace, 10 minutes 41 seconds. Next lap is 0.12 miles at 11:15 per mile. Lap 2 complete in 1 minute 4 seconds. Average pace, 8 minutes 56 seconds. Nearly there. Next lap is 0.5 miles cool down. Lap 15 complete in 1 minute 18 seconds. Average pace, 10 minutes 50 seconds. Cool down complete in 5 minutes 42 seconds. Average pace, 11 minutes 25 seconds.
All right, so 2.79 miles in less than 30 minutes. Average pace of 10:40. Lap pace is 19:45. All right, let's hold to finish.
Workout complete in 29 minutes 45 seconds. Way to go, Kevin. Thank you for training with Runna.
Fun run. But before we wrap up the entire workout, there are some cool down stretches we can do, which is seen here back on that workout screen. So tap on the left, you'll see that there's another video we can follow along with. You can also start your workouts from your wearable device, such as your Apple Watch. Certain runs will give you actual pacing cues to speed up and slow down, as seen here. And if you're on pace, it'll also let you know. Now here's me doing a workout using the phone app that has those pacing audio cues.
Start running. Slow down. Target pace 9 minutes 45 seconds. Currently 7 minutes 31 seconds. On pace. Speed up. Currently 13 minutes 21 seconds.
You can also use the Runna app with a treadmill. If you have a smart treadmill that's Bluetooth compatible, the app will actually be able to automatically adjust the speed and incline for you as you run. However, when I gave this a try, I had some Bluetooth connectivity issues, so it wasn't able to adjust automatically for me. That might be more of a treadmill problem. My phone and app did pair with the treadmill, showing the treadmill speed on the app. I just had to manually adjust the settings to match what the target pace was. Also, I tried using the app as if it wasn't a smart treadmill, and what happens is, the app will continue running and give an estimate of your distance and time, even if you're not actually running or that target pace, which isn't the most ideal. I'd say if you have a smartwatch and you have a regular non-Bluetooth treadmill, you're better off tracking the run with your watch. Plan overview. Back on the train home screen, you'll see an option to see your plan overview. This shows you progress for how far along you are in your training plan, your estimated time for your goal distance, and an overview of all your workouts in the plan, color-coded nicely by run type and distance. Rearrange workouts. Rearranging workouts is a really helpful feature if life gets in the way and you're unable to make a scheduled run. Just tap and drag the workout you need to move to a date that's more suitable, save, and your plan will adjust. Connected apps and watches. You can connect your apps such as your Strava and Apple Health to sync your data. Also, you can connect your calendar to the app so your runs appear. In addition, you can also connect a variety of wearable devices. Manage plan. Under Manage Plan, you can get a PDF printout of your entire plan. You can also share your plan with others with a link or QR code. You'll also be able to adjust your running ability, training mode, which is either optimal or balanced, optimal being more intensive than balanced, the terrain you're training for, estimated current race time, and your running schedule. You can also change your units of measure and weekly mileage and longest run distance. You'll also see that you can add strength, mobility, and Pilates workouts to your plan. Strength workouts. Strength workouts will help you build muscular power and endurance, which will reduce your injury risk and improve your running efficiency. If you want to add strength workouts to your plan, tap Setup Strength. You'll be asked to rate your strength ability, ranging from beginner to advanced. You'll add your strength goal, which is to either complement your running or build all-around strength, how long you want these workouts to last, how many days you want to strength train, which days you want to strength train, and finally, the available equipment you have to train with. Once you've done all that, your training plan is updated, and now you have strength workouts on the schedule. In the strength workout, you'll see the estimated duration for how long the workout will take, the equipment required, and a description of what you'll be doing. In the actual workout, you'll have your exercise listed with either a timer or a rep count. Tapping on an exercise will show you a demonstration of how to perform the movement. Mobility workouts. Mobility workouts will help increase your joint flexibility and range of motion, which will allow for better running form and reduce strain. If you want to add mobility workouts to your plan, tap Set Up Mobility. Choose the one day you want to train for mobility. Then it'll be added to your plan on those days. A mobility workout features a follow-along video with a trainer who guides you through all of the movements. Pilates workouts. Pilates workouts will help enhance core stability, balance and posture, which contribute to controlled running mechanics. If you want to add Pilates workouts to your plan, tap Set Up Pilates. Choose the one day you want to do Pilates, and it'll be added to your plan on those days. Just like mobility workouts, a Pilates workout features a follow-along video with a trainer who guides you through all of the movements. Activities. After you complete your workouts, you'll be able to see them all in the Activities tab. At the top, you'll be able to filter these runs by workout type, year, and month. You can also toggle between workouts and overall performance. Under Workouts, you'll see all of the workouts you've completed. Tapping on a run will show you a map of the run, broken down stats such as distance, time, average pace, average heart rate, cadence, and calories. You'll also see an option to share the run, which will give you a variety of visuals to post on your social media channels. You'll also see a description of the run, any notes you have, the shoes you used, any best effort badges you've earned, your splits, your pace, and elevation. Under Performance, you'll see an overview of your miles, times, and runs, personal records, completed plans, achievements, all-time stats, and a Runna score, which is your estimated current running ability. As your pacing improves while you continue to stick to the plan, so does your Runna score. At the top right, you can tap the plus icon if you need to add a workout manually. Community. In the Community tab, you'll see all the posts from Runna users about the runs and different spaces, which are essentially groups. There are different spaces you can be a part of, such as the general Runna group, Share Your Run group, or a group for the specific event you're training for. You can post pictures, text, and share thoughts about your runs and progress, and interact with other users. Support. The Support tab features a wide range of resources to help you on your running journey with Runna. There are guides to assist you with your goal distances, how to manage injuries, nutrition, how to use the app, and so much more. You can also reach out to someone directly with a message and get a response typically within 2 days. Shoes. If you tap your profile icon at the top right, you'll see options for more settings, which includes your shoes. Tapping on My Shoes shows you a menu where you can add your shoes based on brand, model, and color. You can also input your current distance traveled and set a distance goal. Here, I set up my yellow Ultra Lone Peaks so I know when it will be time to retire them. Workout settings. In this same settings area, you'll be able to adjust a variety of settings relating to your run, such as pacing, audio cues, automatically pausing the workout when you stop moving, units of measure, notifications, and more. Runna Premium offers. As a Runna Premium user, you'll be eligible for discounts on a variety of products, including apparel, nutrition, wearables, and more. App Icon. If you want to change the Runna App Icon on your home screen, you can choose from many different options. Theme. If you want to change the theme of the app from dark to light, you can do that by selecting your preferences and settings. Review. Of all the running apps I've used, Runna is definitely one of the most impressive. It makes sure you're running with a purpose through a plan that's tailored to your goals and abilities, and the plans are really intuitive. You have your workouts you need to complete each week. Just get outside or go to the gym, hit start, and follow exactly what it tells you to do. And if life gets in the way, you can rearrange your workouts so you can still fit them into your schedule. Every run is also different. With easy runs, interval runs, tempo runs, and long runs scheduled throughout the week, you won't have the same workout twice, and the paces change as your performance improves, making the runs challenging enough for you to overcome. The feature I'm most impressed by is the pacing feature, because I know exactly when I need to pick up the pace or slow down. Audio cues telling me to speed up or slow down are also really helpful. And since I know this program was designed with the information I put in, and since it's analyzing my runs and creating workouts based on my performance, I know that whatever effort it's asking of me, I can do, even if my mind is telling me otherwise. Also, the fact that there are strength, mobility, and Pilates workouts available that are also tailored to your workout goals and training plan make this more than just a typical running app, allowing you to have a more holistic training regimen. It is also one of the pricier apps, with a price tag of $17.99 a month or $109.99 a year. But if you're a person serious about training for an event and have no clue how to train, this is definitely worth the cost, since it takes a lot of the mental strain of coming up with your own workouts, supporting you through it all as well. Are you gonna give it a try? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.